The overall goal of the following experiment is to observe the development of opioid-induced hyperalgesia and analgesic tolerance in mice. This is achieved by measuring the thermal and mechanical nociceptive responses of naive mice after morphine administration over a time course on day 0. As a second step, the nociceptive threshold is measured daily before the administration of morphine. On the 7th day, the analgesic effect of morphine is measured over a time course once again to reveal the development of analgesic tolerance. Results are obtained that show an increase in pain sensitivity, as well as the development of analgesic tolerance following repeated morphine administration.
Though this method can provide insight into the development of pain hypersensitivity and analgesic tolerance in wild-type mice following chronic opiate treatment, it can also be applied to other opiates or genetically modified mice. Demonstrating the procedure will be Safia Ayachi, a graduate student from my laboratory.
To minimize stress-induced analgesia, mice are handled for 5 minutes every day and habituated until they freely enter into the restrainer. Once habituated, begin the tail immersion test by setting the thermostat to 48 degrees Celsius. Gently introduce the mouse into the restrainer. Once properly restrained, dip the protruding 2/3 end of its tail into the water bath and start the chronometer.
Discriminating between nociceptive and non-nociceptive